everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can invest the stocks in Revolut. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on dashboard. When you're going to be in the dashboard, you want to scroll down and you're going to see it here, trading. Let's just get started. Continue. Got it? So now you can see the stocks here and you can just click on whatever stock you like. Let's just say I'm going to buy Zoom. I mean, like these guys are on peak right now. And you know something? I knew about Zoom like 3 months ago that they would go up. But I was like, man, whatever, I'm going to focus on work and I would earn so much money, but whatever. So, because I knew because of the current team that this is going to happen. Create investment account. Yes, of course, we read everything. Yes. Okay, second nationality, I'm not a US person, you just fill everything here. You need to, let's just add here Slovakia, continue. What is your employment? Employed, occupation, analyst. No. What is your annual income? So 30K. Net worth. Like here or here, I don't know. It's around combined around 30K. So I'm going to choose this one here. What are investment objectives? Nice. Okay. And you need to open all of these. Continue. Nice. Wonderful read, I liked it. Nice. And you can just, okay, fund account. Let's go $5. Done. And I can just easily, they need to verify my account right now, but this is how we actually do it. So I just wait here until it goes. I got 460, just click here, invest, and just wait until it's going to be possibly, and then just buy. So you can also set up price alert if it's going to be on some price. And then you got like watch list that you can watch. And that's probably it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.